Right, time to try out a new one. So, you know, stow your tray tables, fasten your seatbelts, anything could happen. This one was done by Martha Evans and the Vandellas. This is called Heatwave.
This is a new one for us, so anything could happen. It probably will.
Something inside starts burning and filled with desire. Could it be the devil in me, or is this the way they're supposed to be? It's like a heat wave burning in my heart. Can't keep on burning, it's tearing me apart. Whenever she calls my name, so soft and plain, right there, right then, I feel that burning flame. Has this pressure got a hold on me, or is this the way it's supposed to be? It's like a heat wave burning in my heart. Can't keep on burning, tearing me apart. Sometimes I stare in space, tears all over my face. Can't explain it, won't understand it, never felt this way before. Now this feeling has me amazed, don't know what to do, my head's in a haze. It's like a heat wave here in my heart. Can't keep on burning, tearing me apart. Yeah, 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 yeah. The way it's supposed to be. It's like a heat wave burning in my heart. Can't keep on burning, tearing me apart. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Thank you. Any injuries? No, I think we did it. Right, one last one before we...